There's signs of change all over the place now. As I know you and I have both gotten a little bit of a reach with our social media pages. We've gotten to know a lot more people. As I talk to more and more people, I see a lot more folks that are starting to come around a little bit to this vision. And even if they're not maybe coming around on that specifically, they're at least understanding that there is some kind of form to this that maybe hasn't been seen before. And so I think the message is starting to get out there that, maybe what your grandma told you about the Second Vatican Council may or may not be true. We should just go read the Second Vatican Council documents. And somebody just pointed out to me a really good point just a few days ago and said, one of the important things that's part of what's happening in our modern time now with the Catholic Church and liturgy is that you have direct access to these documents anytime you want to. You can just go search it up. When the Second Vatican Council documents were first promulgated, you didn't have that direct access in the same way that we do now with the internet and whatnot. So I think as people get more and more exposed, I think you and I are maybe good examples of this even, of how our liturgical formation has been guided directly by the documents as opposed to what somebody else told us about the documents. And that, I think, is part and parcel of why we are where we are.